How to use the print and cut feature on your Juliet high definition cutter. Now that you have learned how to load your material and select appropriate cut settings, it is time to learn how to use Leonardo's advanced print and cut feature. To perform a print and cut, navigate to the File menu and press Import. Find the PNG you wish to print and then cut and select Open. Leonardo will navigate you through the following screens. The tolerance screen, where you can remove your background, select what spot colors you wish to keep, add, or remove. The Trace Contours menu that will automatically scan the image and put a contour line around your design. A live contour offset option to select the contour offset in real time. From this menu, you can also select a bleed, custom bleed colors, or simply use the boundary color of your image. Your registration marks will automatically appear, and from here you can rescale your image, make duplicate images within the print and cut boundaries on your artboard. Once you are ready, click Send Design, and from this menu you will see that your printed artwork and your contour cut line are separated. Start by selecting the Print Artwork, find your printer under the Select Printer tab. Once selected, click Print. Next, select your cutting contours, and from this menu you can select Custom Cut Settings or select Use Cutter Settings to utilize the pre-loaded cut settings on your new Juliet. Once your print is complete, load your material onto your mat like shown previously. Load the cutting mat onto your Juliet. Once loaded, position the blade in the bottom left registration mark slightly inside the mark. Head back to Leonardo, and from the Cutting Contours menu, select Send to Cutter and watch the magic of the built-in camera scan your registration marks, then cut your image with precision. Welcome to the future of making.